Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the touch command. Touch command's primary function is to modify a date timestamp. Also, the utility is commonly used for file creation, although this is not its primary function. Prior to executing the command, let's review the help documentation. To do so, we type in touch dash dash help. You can see it provides the name of the command touch, brief description of the command, as well as any arguments or options that are available to execute with the command. In this first example, we're going to use touch to simply create a file. And how we do that is we type in touch, and let's name this touch1.txt. This is the contents of the directory. You can see we now have created touch1 text. We can create multiple files at the same time by typing in touch2.txt, touch3.txt. And when we list the contents of the directory, you can see we have created touch2, touch3 text. Another method to create multiple files at the same time is by typing in touch, the name of the file. We'll go touch, opening bracket, or brace, should I say. And this accepts alphanumerical characters, so we can type in A. In this case, let's go through C, closing brace, dot text. As you can see, you now have touch123 ABC files created. So as mentioned, the primary purpose is to change the timestamp of the file. So in this example, we're going to change touch1 text to a new date, and let's try that. So we'll type in touch dash T for time, and then the year, the month, and the date, and then the time. We'll go 1830. Touch1.txt. Now when we list, we can see that the date has successfully changed to January 4th, 2023. And we can change the time. Let's change touch2 to the current time. To do so, we type in touch dash M modifier and the name of the file. As you can see, it changed it from 1726, January 21st, to January 21st, 1728. Now this just changes the modification time. What about the access time? Well, let's take a look here. ls-lu. We can see that the access time for touch 2 is still at 1726. To change the access time, we type in touch -a m touch 2.text. When we list it, contents, you can see that changed the date to January 20, the access time to January 21st, 1730. And it also changed the modified time as well. So we want to change touch 1 text back to the current date and time, and we're going to use touch C as the reference file. To do so, we type in touch-r, touch C, and file, I'm sorry, touch 1.text. Now when we list the contents, you can see that touch 1 date timestamp was changed to match touch C date timestamp. And that, my friends, is all there is to the touch command in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.